My name is Kasper Junge and I'm a lead AI engineer at Deniro.
I'm John Kurs. I'm responsible for marketing and product management.
My name is Christian. I'm a product manager for AI and mobile at Triplex.
AI integration have actually been a priority at Deniro for a long time, but especially it also is now because, as you may know, there's happening a lot in the field of especially language modeling in the AI space, which is very exciting and kind of like enables us to do things with AI that we were not able to do before, and also things we were able to do before, but now we can just do them like way faster.
If you look at our market, the number of companies serviced by an AO has doubled over the last 20 years or so. The number of AOs and people working in AOs is sort of flatlined. So it's the same number of people having to do double the work. Well, then you have to look at efficiency and productivity. So our vision is AI should be helping you be more efficient, be more effective, and really have you not do repetitive work.
So I'd say you can look at AI in Triplex in two ways, where one is sort of integrated into specific workflows. So for instance, we have, you could speak of AI in terms of the accounts payable process in Triplex, where we sort of interpret the contents of incoming invoices, and then we use machine learning algorithms to sort of predict how to register that in the general ledger. So that's sort of the old school way of looking at AI. But then, I mean, over the last 2 years, we've seen massive development in generative AI as well. And that's sort of what's been driving our aim to build this AI assistant, where we think that these new AI models will basically change the way that we interact with software systems.
One of the ways that we're trying to make it easier to do bookkeeping for our users is that we are having this like feature called, or like this product called the Assistant. And that, you know, the Assistant has to do with everything related to automating bookkeeping. And whenever we kind of like have a suggestion to our users that they can kind of like verify with basically one click, then we serve it there and they can, just get it done there.
They can get rid of those repetitive tasks that nobody likes. So it's not just the time saving, but also the hassle of stuff that you don't really want to do, but you have to do. For example, every single year you have to create your annual report. That's just a process that you go through. Most of that process can be done with AI. So a lot of those ticking the boxes sort of actions the AI tool can do for you, and you just focus on where you need your knowledge to focus instead of going through the motions. So that's a lot of benefit there.
Feedback we're getting from customers is that they wished that we could do even more, like we can handle even more of their transactions and handle even more of their bookkeeping.
People are really liking the sort of instant answer and not having to wait for talking to an agent. And while that sort of is something that varies across seasonalities, we know that when deadlines are there, it can take some time to sort of get in touch with a human support agent, but now with the AI assistant, that time is basically down to zero.
Business software can often take a lot of time to kind of like learn how it works and what to do and where to drag things. And I think, you know, AI will be able to take care of a lot of that. And, you know, us people, us humans, we can kind of like be concerned about what problem we want to be solved.
Right now, everybody's sort of on a parallel AI journey. I think that's all slowly but surely coming together, especially across Visma products. So I think it's going to be sort of like the Visma way of working is always embedded with AI.
I think we'll see new ways of interacting with software systems across all of the Visma companies. I know that there are a lot of colleagues working on co-pilots at the moment, which is exciting. So exciting times ahead.